You can read pending codes. The system's okay, so we're good there. You can clear the codes. You can read the freeze frame. You can read the data stream. You can do IM readiness. So now you can see if anything is an issue or won't pass inspection. I mean, look at all this stuff. You can do see the EGR, the oxygen sensors, all these different things, and then you can do the graph. You can compare it. You can list it. This is a really nice reader. Hello guys, and welcome back. So today we are reviewing another high performance, highly professional OB reader. This one can actually do diesel, OBD2. It's Android 5.1, Wi-Fi, and it runs on ARM Cortex A7. So printer optional. That's pretty awesome, guys. All system truck vehicle scanner. So let's show you guys what's inside the box. You get a nice manual, and I do want to point out that I'm always impressed with the quality of their products. I always butcher the name. It's ANCEL. Is it ANCEL or ANCEL? I always mess up the name, but their quality of stuff is always professional. Like, check this out. It's got a strap on it, so like you seriously could have it on your arm like this and be working on stuff. Nice strap on the back for your arm, for your wrist. You got your OB port up here, charging Type-C there. On the back here, you got a clip, and it looks like probably a slot for something else, maybe the printer thing. But overall, I'm always impressed. So let's go ahead and see what else we got. Alright, so they supply you with everything that you need, including the diesel connectors. So this is diesel 6/9 connection. You have OB216 connection. So basically what this would go in your vehicle, which we're going to show you, and then this just gets connected, one end on there, and then this end gets connected onto your device like this. Same if you're using the diesel, that would get connected to your diesel. This would get connected to the reader. You just use the extension that they provide with you. So let's go ahead and actually start testing it out. All right, so locate your OB port. It's going to look like this, and it's going to be probably somewhere on the driver's side under the dash or right at the dash, and you're going to plug it in just like this. Once you plug it in, your device is going to turn on then. So sorry for the glare, it's pretty hard. I mean, the screen is so nice. Now in person that glare is not that bad. So this is what you guys can see. You got Freightliner, Diesel, Kenworth, Peterbilt, Ford HD, Volvo HD. And then you got the OB2, and it is touchscreen. You got international, Mac, data management tools, update settings. So let's just go right ahead and do the OB. All right, so we need to activate it. So to activate your device, you just simply connect to your internet Wi-Fi. So you would want to do this inside, and to do it inside, they supply you with the cable. You just plug it in there and then plug this into the computer, and then it will turn on. And for the Wi-Fi, you just go under settings, go to Wi-Fi, and then connect to your network. Once you connect to the internet, you then go and hit activate, and it will connect you, and it will save it and link it to your info. And now we can go ahead and go through the motions here. We're going to try and get that glare away. And make sure you thread these in, that way the plug doesn't come out. So thread that in, and same with your OB port, it's going to have the same ones. Thread them in. You don't want it disconnecting while you're doing this. So I try to angle this a little better so we don't have that glare. So alright, we're going to do diagnose mode. Let's just do generic. Let it go through motions. Now your vehicle doesn't have to have check engine lights. This is a fully professional OB reader. So this is something some garages don't even have. This is something that they would love to have. You You know, as technology comes out, stuff like this is a must. And if you are an owner, before you take your vehicle in for inspection, you can find out any issues, and that way you know the garage is not scamming you. So if no issues come up and a garage says, oh, you got to replace this, you can say, look, I scanned it. With a professional, we've done this, and why are you trying to charge us for something that doesn't need done? So, you know, it's just something to think about. And if you want to start your own business on the side, this is something that is a must. So you can read stored codes, and because we don't have any codes, the system's okay. You can read pending codes, the system's okay, so we're good there. You can clear the codes, you can read the freeze frame, you can read the data stream, you can do IM readiness, so now you can see if anything is an issue or won't pass inspection. I mean, look at all this stuff. You can do see the EGR, the oxygen sensors, all these different things, and then you can do the graph. You can compare it, you can list it. This is a really nice reader. O2 monitor test, onboard monitor test, component test, vehicle information, driving test, lookup. So you can look up different trouble codes. Just enter the code in that you have. There's so much you guys can do with this. Simulate mode, generic, just so much. Wow. So yeah, because our system's all right, you know, there's just so much you guys can do with this. Let's go check out the tools. Pin detect they offer, data management, report, screenshot, feedback. So you can take photos. Let's see here. Let's check out the settings. You got Wi-Fi, storage, general, brightness, volume, user. So if we go under here, we can see that it just took a screenshot. So you can save screenshots, and then you can go and look at them. So this is a screenshot we just took. And go home. So when you're under each different setting, you can do screenshot. You can print and all this stuff up here. So let's go okay. So this is create a report. So you can create a report on this vehicle. You can provide feedback to them. You can print if you set up printing. Take a screenshot instantly. Overall, this is a really nice, compact, handy OB reader for diesel, for tractor trailers, and for your normal vehicle.